Okay, so today I'm going to attempt to put the Miata up on the stand so we can get it on the underside, so we can get to the underside to clean it. I'm going to put a block there because last time I lifted I didn't, and this here got bent in. I'm not going to bend it back into shape until we get ready for it, so it won't weaken it up any. I shortened the stand arm a bit. I had it to about 1.5 feet, close to 2 feet up, but it was pretty heavy at that height. Although once it's up and supported, the beam's going to hold the same weight, but being that at a lower center of gravity, it's a little bit more easier to manage. So we're going to get this tilted up and on its side so we can clean it under, and we'll be right back. That's our brace we use to prop it up so we can get to the underside of the Miata. We had this here brace on the front, but you see where it's split at the top. So instead of putting the brace on the front, we're just going to use that block that's right there to support it. That'll give it a little bit more sound sturdiness instead of raising up off the ground. It's got its own natural support point. We'll just put paper on it when we get ready to spray it. But that braces, that'll hold it. We can get to the underside, get to that angle, get that rust cleaned out, and that's our brace support for the Miata. I'm not suggesting, recommending anything. I'm just showing you this is the way I went about getting to the bottom of the Miata. It tilt, I can lift it up easier by tilting it from the side as opposed to trying to lift it up from the ends, because it's still pretty heavy. And I mean, you're not going to lift it from end to end by yourself. Probably could, Mr. Hercules, but for the easy, simple way, this is how we braced it up. This is our stand. Okay, real quick to go over our brace, and of course our moving dollies. We just took a 2x4, 2x6, stretched it across where it would stretch across the frame, and bought a couple of these moving dollies from Harbor Freight, rated at 1,000 pounds each, and that's what we just lowered down on to move it around. And this here is the construction of the frame. We bought 3 2x4s. Offset this end so that it have some swing. That end is just the base end, and as you see, typical triangle shape to give it support. On these ends, 2x4 ends, we use a couple 4-inch bolt screws. So that's 3 4-inch bolt screws, and here we used I think it was like a 2-inch, 2.5-inch nut and bolt set with washers on all of them. But that's what we use to hold it in place while we clean the underside.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Lift that board up for me. Lift
One
from
board?
this end. From this end, the long end.
Okay.
My little helper. My little Santa helper.
I'm a little elf.
Uh-huh.
Little bitch elf. How sad for me. You got it secure down?
That's it.
Positive?
Positive.
Okay. Safety first.